In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly delete a Weebly website using Weebly. If you're cleaning up old projects or simply no longer need a site, the process is fast and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Weebly account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your websites are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct site list, especially if you manage multiple websites. Now find the website you want to delete. When you hover over it, you will see a 3-dot options button. Click it to reveal the additional menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled Delete Site before the deletion is finalized. Weebly will show a confirmation message. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally remove a site you still need. If you're sure about deleting it, go ahead and confirm. In some cases, Weebly may ask you to type a word or the site name for verification. Once you complete that, the site will be permanently removed from your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a Weebly website in just a few simple steps. Always double check before confirming, since deleted sites cannot be restored. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more of our quick Weebly tutorials.